Hello, it's Angelo Pucci and welcome to our newest listing at 29 Dodsworth Drive in Central Ajax. This home features 3 bedrooms, family-size eating kitchen, separate dining room, a separate entrance to a finished basement with its own kitchen, 2 bedrooms, bathroom. But to tell you more about it, I believe Kim is standing by. Kim, are you ready?
I am.
Let's take it away.
A wonderful family home within the Westney Heights neighborhood of Central West Ajax. Welcome to 29 Dodsworth Drive. This brick home features a 1.5-car garage, an interlocking walkway lined with gardening beds, and stone steps to a covered front entryway, as well as a very private and fenced-in backyard. Through the front entry is a spacious and open foyer area, and immediately to the right is a large living room that can be combined with a dining area. Finished with cozy carpeting, this relaxing space has a large west-facing window and a papered feature wall with a subtle textured finish. At the end of the main hallway is the open-concept kitchen and breakfast area, as well as a formal dining room. Featuring abundant cabinetry storage with a huge wall pantry, the kitchen also features a ceramic tiled backsplash, plenty of counter workspace, a stainless steel double sink, and appliances including a fridge, stove, and dishwasher. The formal dining room has a French door entry and a large east-facing window, and the breakfast area has a sliding door walkout onto a large backyard deck surrounded by lattice fencing, bringing privacy to this outdoor entertaining space. Both the walkout and the kitchen window have California shutters, and gorgeous chandelier-style light fixtures are elegant finishing accents in all 3 of these spaces. Off the main hallway is a laundry room with washer and dryer, a powder room with a chandelier-style light fixture, a French door entry to the lower level landing, as well as a mirrored door coat closet, while a set of stairs takes you to the mid-level family room. Incredibly spacious, and with 3 sets of windows allowing for natural lighting, this informal entertaining space is finished with laminate flooring and is warmed by a wood-burning brick fireplace. The staircase's hardwood railing maintains an open, airy feel between the family room and the upper level, which is carpeted throughout and features 3 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a linen closet. All 3 bedrooms are quite spacious and have large windows for natural lighting, with the 3rd bedroom having a single closet with bifold doors, while the 2nd bedroom has a mirrored door double closet. And these 2 rooms share the main 4-piece washroom. The master bedroom is very generously sized and features 2 spacious double closets, as well as a 3-piece ensuite washroom that has a large shower area with sliding glass doors. The lower level landing provides access to the garage, and with a separate side door entry, the fully finished lower level is an ideal in-law suite. This recently updated self-contained unit has a spacious foyer, off of which is a double coat closet, a small storage area, as well as a 3-piece washroom with a glass shower. Laminate flooring flows throughout an open-concept living and dining area, the incredibly spacious kitchen, as well as into the 2 bedrooms, both which have double closets. And this space also has a good-sized storage room, as well as laundry facilities. Just a short walk to public transit, Westney Heights Public School, and Westney Heights Park. This home is also close to the McLean Community Center, shopping plazas, and the Riverside Golf Course. While for commuters, both the Ajax GO station and access to Highway 401 are short drives away.